Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Right-click an empty desktop area and choose Personalize. Once the Settings app opens, go to Themes and click Desktop Icon Settings. You do this because Windows centralizes desktop icons there. Changing it removes the icon without deleting files. Make sure the Desktop Icon Settings dialog is active and visible. If you see multiple accounts, use the one you're signed into. Once done, you're ready for the exact change that hides the recycle bin icon. Now you'll perform the core action. In the Desktop Icon Settings window, uncheck the Recycle Bin checkbox and click Apply. You're doing this to tell Windows not to show that system icon on the desktop. It does not delete any files inside the recycle bin. Make sure to observe the desktop. The icon should vanish instantly. If you prefer a low-level approach, back up the registry first and modify the appropriate shell icon's key. Otherwise, stick with the safe settings method. Finish by refreshing the interface. Sign out and sign back in, or restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager to ensure the desktop updates. You do this because some UI changes need a refresh to take full effect. Verify the recycle bin is gone. If not, reopen Desktop Icon Settings and confirm the box stayed unchecked. One troubleshooting tip: if the icon returns or won't hide, restore any registry backup and run SFC scan to repair system file issues. Then repeat the uncheck and apply steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.